This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and the video I have for you today is a challenge lock made by Briarberrycove named OGM's brother. It's his challenge lock number 5, and he made it in February of 2018. And this goes to a quick set. This is a quick set challenge lock, and you can see the bitting here. And the key operates the lock very smoothly. And now we'll see what it takes to get this lock open. What I'm going to do is use top of the keyway tension in 50 thousandths, and I will use a standard hook in 25 thousandths, and we'll see what it takes to get this lock open. I'm going to start off with pin 1. Very small click on pin 1, but not too much. Nothing on 2. Nothing really off 3. Nothing off 4. A few clicks on 5. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. A couple clicks on 4. Nothing on 5. Let's see. 1. Got a small click. 2, 3, 4, 5, getting multiple clicks. And 5 feels pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Might need to set 5 a little bit higher. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Couple clicks on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Hit 4 again and the lock is open. So this lock, it didn't really provide a tremendous amount of feedback. It did feel like there were some serrated pens. But in all honesty, I feel like there may have been a couple standard pens in here. It didn't feel serrations on every single pen. But the fun part is always opening up the lock and seeing what we find inside. So we will investigate that in just a second here. Let's get this clip off the back here without locking it up. Okay. But Briarberrycove, thank you so much for making this lock. It was a lot of fun to work on, and I will send it off to someone soon so someone else can give it a try. Alright, so we got our pinning tray here. And I don't suspect that there would be any T-pens or anything in here, so I don't think I'm going to need the shim. But we are populated with 5 pens. Just if you have the T pens, they can get caught in the construction keying here, and you don't want that. So key pin 1, standard key pen. Key pin 2 kind of looks like a Schlage key pen. I guess all of these kind of look like a Schlage key pen right now, because they're not rounded on both ends like the quickset typically are. Three. Key pin 4. Now key pin 5. Yeah, so all these kind of look like Schlage key pens if I'm honest, because they are all pretty flat on the top, but not too bad bitting, and no threading that I'm seeing. And let's take a quick look in the top pens. Key pin 1 looks like a standard pen. Let's see. right, and that looks like a regular steel spring. And then driver pin 2, standard, looks like a steel spring as well. 3, standard. 4, standard. 5, standard. Yeah, I didn't really feel much for security pins. A couple of them did feel a little bit like yeah, this appears to be a standard lock. I'm not sure where this last spring is. It must be stuck in one of these chambers here. But when I picked it, I got no false set. I didn't get really too much feedback besides feeling standard pins. But yeah, where is this last spring? Unless there isn't. Oh, I can see it. It's stuck in chamber 3. Alright, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this spring out here, but that's in 3, so let me just move these down one. But so this is the lock that Briarberrycove sent me. I don't see any threading in the chambers here. Seems like a pretty standard lock. It would be a good lock for someone to learn and practice and grow with. But either way, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video, and thank you Briarberrycove for sending me this lock. And if you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much and have a great day.